Hello friends and welcome. Here I am with an interesting topic that is going to be on the network devices. So in this video we are going to learn about the network devices. So let's get started. Friends, here are a list of network devices, that is modem, NIC, hub, switch and router. So the first device here you can see is modem. So friends, modem stands for modulator and demodulator. Here MO for modulator and DEM for demodulator. So modem was the earlier devices that were used to achieve the internet services, and it was achieved over a telephone line. Early computers use telephone lines to achieve the internet or to achieve the services of the internet. So early computers have modem. There were two categories: the internal modem and the external modem. Those modem that were built in some computers were the internal modem, but when you need another separate hardware device for achieving the internet or the network services, you need the external modem. So friends, here modem, modulator or demodulator. As you know, whenever the communication or networking is between two or more systems or computer. System or computer understand the digital data, that is in the form of binary or a combination of zeros or ones. It understands the instructions that are digital. But for telephone lines, you know, they send the information using the signals that are analog. So people were using telephone lines to build the network or to access the internet services. Here the telephone line process the information over to using analog signal, but the system itself uses the digital signaling or digital data. So here the purpose of modem was to build or to work as a translator between these communication devices, or you can say between the sender and receiver. The modem work as a translator. For here the digital data or the digital signal must be converted into analog, and then it be processed to the other, sent over to the other device, or you can say receiver, and that first the device modem first translate into digital and then the information is sent to the receiver. So friends, modem was a device that used as a translator between the sender and the receiver. First it translated the digital data from the sender side, and it converted into analog signal and process it to the or send it to the receiver. And for the receiver side, first the information or the data is first translated into the digital form, and then it is given to the device or the person. So that was the purpose of modem, and the modem was the earliest devices that were using to achieve or establish or achieve the internet services. Then we have NIC. Friends, NIC stands for network interface card. Here you can say network interface controller. It is also known as the network adapter or the LAN adapter. So friends, network interface card is a chip. It is installed or built into your smart devices, computer, laptop, whatever device. When you have to connect it to the internet, you must need a NIC or network interface card. There are two categories of NICs, that is wired and wireless. For wired network, that needs to be connected to a Ethernet cable, and it has a port in your computer or laptop, so you can connect to internet line, Ethernet cable. And then for wireless, you can connect it with the Wi-Fi. So an network interface card is a must thing when you have to achieve the network. So rest We have hub, switch and router. These three are also the internet network devices. These all are like similar. They have multiple ports. They can connect multiple systems together to form a network. But there are some differentiation between these three. So that I'm going to discuss with you in our next video, because that need to be discussed in detail. So for this video, we are gone through the modem and the network interface card in detail, and in next video we are going to learn all those three. So for this video, this is up to it, and if you like my content, do share, like and subscribe. Till then, take good care of yourselves and stay blessed.